All right, let's talk about a question most every small business has when realizing the office printer has once again declared emotional bankruptcy. Should you hire your own IT person or partner with an outside IT provider? It's a big decision. You just want your technology to work without random panic, budget surprises, or printers that sense fear. So here's the plain English breakdown. Let's start with in-house IT. What you actually get when you bring someone in on your staff. First, they're right there, down the hall. You can catch them before lunch and say, "Hey, my Wi-Fi died," and they can pretend they didn't hear you. Second, they get to know your business deeply. All your quirks, all your systems, and all the weird ways your software refuses to do what it's supposed to do. And third, they become a part of your culture. They laugh at the same jokes, complain about the same tools, and yes, they also suffer through the same payroll system freeze-ups. But there are trade-offs. Hiring is expensive. IT salaries are rising, certifications cost money, and keeping one person trained on everything is basically impossible. Modern IT is huge. Cybersecurity, cloud management, compliance, backups, no single person can master all of it. And when they're out sick, on vacation, your technology problems do not take PTO. Plus, most internal IT people spend their days firefighting, which means long-term planning gets pushed off indefinitely. Now, let's flip it and talk about outsourced IT, also known as an MSP. The biggest perk is that you get a whole team instead of one person. Cybersecurity specialists, cloud experts, people who actually enjoy reading patch notes. It's a different world. Costs are predictable, monthly subscription, no surprises, no panic hiring. They monitor your systems around the clock, which means fewer emergencies and a lot more handled before anyone even noticed. Security is stronger because MSPs use tools and processes that small internal teams rarely have access to. And you get strategic guidance, someone helping you plan for your technology instead of just fixing it when it breaks. Of course, outsourced IT isn't perfect either. They're not physically in your office all the time, although honestly, most issues can be fixed remotely. And not every MSP is created equal. You need to vet them just like any other partner. Plus, cultural fit takes intentional effort. The good ones will put in that effort. So how do you actually decide? Here's the simple framework. Number one, what's your risk tolerance? If downtime, security breaches, or compliance issues would wreck your business, a single IT person won't give you the depth you need. An MSP will. Number two, what's your budget and growth plan? Hiring in-house gets expensive as your needs increase. Outsourcing scales more easily. And honestly, a hybrid model works for a lot of companies, an internal IT person supported by an MSP. Number three, what outcomes matter most? Faster response times, better security, strategic planning. Choose the outcomes first, then match the model that actually delivers them. So which one wins? Here's the truth, both can work. Both have strengths, both have trade-offs. But for many small businesses, an outsourced IT provider gives stability, security, and strategic direction that one internal IT person simply can't provide alone. Think of it like this. Your business is on the path to growth. Technology is one of those obstacles. You can take that obstacle on solo, or you can bring a guide in who's walked the trail hundreds of times. And if you ever want that guide, no pressure, we're here to help.